Now we're going to talk about taking attendance. So what you see, this is the web version. This is the email that you're going to get typically 10 minutes before your group starts. You just click that link and it takes you into the actual portal where you can click that highlighted item that says take attendance for the event. And then once you click that, you're going to see details to the event, the attendees. You can easily check the box if they were there. You can add members if you wanted to. You can even add visitors to this portion right here as well. Just simple click and play, and then you're just going to click the submit button when you're ready to submit that. And then we're going to take a look at it on the mobile as well. So on the mobile, you're going to log into the app. You're going to go to the top corner and you're going to find that notification says take attendance. Very similar. You could check the individuals if they're there. You can add or subtract visitors, add a member if you wanted, and again also click submit.